Most people fail on YouTube not because of bad videos, but because they choose the wrong niche. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pick the perfect niche step by step. If you're confused about which niche to start, this guide will help you choose a niche that actually grows and makes money. The biggest mistake beginners make is choosing a niche only because of high CPM. Yes, money matters, but if you're not interested in the topic, you'll quit after a few videos. So first, ask yourself, can I make at least 20 videos on this topic? Now check if people are actually watching content in that niche. Search your topic on YouTube. If videos are getting views consistently, that means demand is there. No views equals no audience. Competition is normal, but too much competition is dangerous. If big channels dominate every result, it will be hard for you to grow. Look for niches where small channels are also getting views. Here's a simple test. Can you come up with 10 video ideas instantly? If yes, your niche has content potential. If no, you'll struggle to stay consistent. Not all niches pay the same. Some niches like tech, finance, and education have higher CPM, while entertainment niches have lower CPM. So choose a niche that has both demand and earning potential. The perfect niche is a combination of three things: interest plus demand plus low to medium competition. If your niche fits all three, you're on the right track. Don't overthink it. Choose a niche, start creating, and improve with time. Subscribe for more YouTube growth and online earning tips.